course came Whakamatautauranga. He was made to go through barbed wire fence, through blackberry. His body was ripped and scarred. This was during the trials. And then of course, Teurumano felt aroha. When the Teurumano had that feeling of aroha, for her husband being put through these many trials, she knew what was happening. Then of course, the Wairua-tapu came to her. The Wairua-tapu said to her, "This is I, the Wairua-tapu, that is coming to visit you." Now can you carry on from there? You just that little bit, you lost it. The Makupu at the Wairua-tapu to find.
Oh, she was the one that asked first. And you
That's
better put the Wairua-tapu away.
That's right. I just lost it a bit, didn't I? That's why I got a left hand over here, or right hand over here. Now because of this, because of what's happening to her husband, going through all this and body ripped and scarred, part sometimes naked. See, the Timothy was explaining to us one morning, early one morning, when they got up, they looked out towards that old house way down the bottom. They looked out and they saw him coming back. When he got closer, they noticed he had nothing on, naked, and they could see all the blood dried on his body. They felt aroha, and of course the mum felt aroha. Mum went inside the house and bought a blanket and ran out towards the arches. There used to be an arch on out the part of Whakamatautauranga where the sea. They used to have two whale. They're still there? Oh, yes. On the top. So when the mum or Teurumano got to this side of that gateway, Ratana arrived on the other side. And then as Teurumano moved towards him, he called out, don't you dare take another step. I will turn you into a pillar of salt." But because of that love within, I used the word mum. Because of that love within the mum, she never hesitated. She moved straight in towards him and put a blanket on him. Once he got the blanket around him, he became himself, became normal, and then was brought inside to rest. But you see, over here too, it's an akoranga, that love has no boundaries. Love, no boundaries. Whether thou goes, I will go. Thy God shall be my God. Thy people, my people.